why did I create this webinar here? Because Scrum doesn't really tell you how to succeed as a product owner. But that's the first exercise here that you can do to start imagining what you would do differently. And product teams, the truth is said, product teams are trapped and we need to help them untrap themselves. So we have this black box here. Now let's just delete it. So what happens here? Because what I like saying is, as a product owner, you are always on a journey. Okay, but what is the problem this is solving? What is the need for the client? Of course, this would be better having someone from each aspect. Someone who can represent the client, hopefully some of the clients. If not, someone who understands and has observation about it, someone from business and tech. What are your takeaways from today's session? Fun, questions, customer focus, Venn diagram. Try to understand. It's good takeaways here. How do you rate the session? Maybe you're leaving frustrated, you didn't learn anything. Nice to see here. Delighted, I acquired applicable insights. Inspired, I know how to grow and what to do from now on. Quite good, nice. So I hope you had a good time.